Welcome to your Respimat Inhaler instructional video, brought to you by Boehringer Ingelheim Pharmaceuticals Incorporated. Your successful use of the inhaler is important to us. That's why we created this instructional video. We want you to feel confident that your Respimat inhaler is helping deliver the medicine your doctor prescribed. This video will help you familiarize yourself with the Respimat inhaler and walk you through the steps for proper assembly, priming, and daily use. The Respimat inhaler delivers a soft mist that eases the effort to inhale your medicine. Each month, when you refill your prescription and receive your new Respimat inhaler, you can watch this video to ensure you are following the steps to get the full benefit of your treatment. Preparation. To start, take your inhaler and medicine cartridge out of the inhaler box. They look like this. Inside the inhaler box, you will also find instructions that you can use to follow along during assembly. Next, let's identify the parts of your inhaler. Inhaler, cap, mouthpiece, air vent, dose release button, safety catch button, clear base, piercing element, medicine cartridge. Assembly. Let's prepare your Respimat inhaler for first-time use. You'll need to do this whenever you get a new prescription. Step 1. While keeping the cap closed, firmly press the safety catch and at the same time, pull off the clear base with your other hand. You should write the discard by date on the label, which is 3 months from the day you insert the cartridge. Step 2. Take the cartridge and push the narrow end into the inhaler. Place the inhaler on a hard surface, such as a tabletop, and push down firmly with your palm until it clicks. When it's properly in place, a little bit of the cartridge will be visible, about 1/8 of an inch. Step 3. Put the clear base back into place until you hear a click. Make sure you align the notch with the safety catch. Do not remove the clear base or the cartridge again. You will get a new inhaler with each prescription refill. Now the inhaler is ready for priming. Priming. Step 1. With the cap still closed, turn the clear base a half turn in the direction of the arrows until you hear a click. Step 2. Now open the cap, point the inhaler at the ground, and press the dose release button. Then close the cap. Step 3. Repeat these steps until you see a spray of mist. Once you've seen the mist, repeat these steps 3 more times. This will ensure your inhaler is ready to use. Don't worry, it isn't wasteful. Your inhaler will still have all of your prescribed doses. Please note, you will need to repeat steps 1 through 3 if the inhaler hasn't been used for more than 21 days. That's all there is to preparing your Respimat inhaler. You're now ready to use it daily. Be sure to follow your doctor's instructions about how many puffs you need daily. For complete details, look at the instructions enclosed with your prescription. Daily use. Now, let's discuss how to use your inhaler daily. Step 1. With the cap closed, begin by turning the clear base a half turn in the direction of the arrows until it clicks. Step 2. Now open the cap. Step 3. Breathe out slowly and fully. Close your mouth around the mouthpiece without covering the air vents on the sides. As you take a slow, deep breath, press the dose release button and inhale the mist. Hold it in for 10 seconds, or for as long as it's comfortable. Now, close the cap. Your doctor will tell you how many times to repeat these steps for the correct dosage. A simple way to remember how to take your Respimat inhaler is TOP, or top. T is for turning the clear base. O is for opening the cap and closing your mouth around the mouthpiece. P is for pressing the dose release button and inhaling the mist. So, when you think Respimat inhaler, think turn, open, press. Top. For complete details, look at the instructions enclosed with your prescription, and remember, your doctor will tell you how often to use your inhaler and how many puffs you need to take daily. Thank you for watching. No matter where you are on your healthcare journey, we're here to support your needs. If you want more help with your Respimat inhaler or have any questions, please reach out to us at 1-800-542-6257 or visit respimatquickstart.com.